Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I do believe we have another unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Either my Amazon affiliate link will be down below, or their website link will be down below. So definitely check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart and check out now. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. We have here, ooh, that's gonna be nice. Yeah, this is Amazon Arlic audio. This is a 4K HDR Ultra HD 4K 60 Hz wireless display adapter, Android, Windows, Mac OS, iOS. 4K 60 Hz display, 4K video decode, multiple standard, home theater, commercial or office, online education. So this does it all. I don't know if you guys can read that. Just a wireless display adapter functions. This is a model number G54 display mirroring device with HDR. You can turn your Android, iOS, Windows, Mac device into remote control, and you can mirror the screen onto the TV anytime. Oh, this would be cool. So this is a nice little stocking stuffer. We got Christmas coming up. Santa Claus will be coming down 4 months from now. So definitely get ahead. Maybe a gift to yourself, friend, co-worker, your gaming friend. You never know. So they got good deals going on now, so definitely check them out. And like I said, if you got a minute or two, see what other goodies they have to offer. But definitely curious now how this thing works. If I could open it. Oh boy. Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. So our click. See, that's what they're called. Arlic. ARYlic. There we go. Put you guys down. Whoops. True 4K HDR screen casting. There we go. So that must be the USB. This out of the way. Seal this bad boy back up. So you can probably get your gaming setup. You can have it display like that. Do some tournaments. Or Zoom you could have. Oh, come on. There we go. We got here USB and HDMI. I think so. Gotta get these twist ties off. It's alright, cord. Here's a USB. So, we're probably going to test this out in my room. We'll hook something up, maybe my tablet. Got that there. Let's take a look. Oh, this is tiny. There we go, HDMI. So you can take this, plug this into your TV or your monitor, wherever you're going to cast off of. And you plug this guy in. So I got that all situated. Be right back. Oh, okay, this is a power supply, the USB. So that's what, hold on one sec. This is the power supply right here. You just plug it into anything. So we got that covered. Plug this into your TV and then, or projector, depends on where you're going to be using the most. For me, it'll be in my room. You could use your PC and mirror it off that, so they give you the passwords and everything. You could connect to your home Wi-Fi router. This does it all. Windows, iOS usage, Android, Google Home, Google Chrome. You can switch it to landscape or portrait. And then Windows tells you how to do it. So this is going to be pretty exciting to do. You can do Apple TV, you can watch, iOS, ProScreenCast, Google, web browser. And there's a lot of options. We'll test this all out, I guess. I mean, I got time. This might be a little long video, so you might want to grab some popcorn and make sure you guys order 1 or 2. It all depends. It's easy. Alright guys, we'll be back into my room right about now. Alrighty YouTubers, we got it set up now. I use the Smart Manager. Where is it? Right there. Got it connected to the Pro Screen. This little guy right here. And we're in business. So you go on your TikTok and watch videos. Here's my TikTok right there. Or you go to YouTube. And watch videos of yours or any other favorite ones. So there we go. Got that covered. Next we're going to be doing it on my PC. And you can watch DirecTV. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. There we go. But pretty cool. And also you could go into settings. Ooh, that's it. There we go. Pause, smart view, darken. There you go. And boom. Come on, camera. You can disconnect that. And it should. There we go. So next stop, Windows. Be right back. Alrighty guys. Once you get to your PC, go to your system settings and go to display. And then where'd it go? Advanced. Nope. It would pop up display detection and it'll detect it because I already hooked it up and got it set up now. Really cool. And then I'll show you on my TV. And I got this running on my Wi-Fi. So, alright, I'm on my YouTube right here. We'll do play all. I'll mute it just in case. There we go. See how it's set up right there? And now it's here. Great 4K. Everything's perfect. Connected to Procast. Definitely excited. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. And you can mirror. See? Got 2 screens going. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Have a good one. See ya.